today. Hello, Pharaoh. I need to give my chicken, Piggy, this cucumber. He loves cucumber so much, so I'm planning to give cucumber to him. This is his house. Can't wait. Okay, he's enjoying. Good. You can have that, Piggy. It's a small kitchen garden that we have. A small place that we have compost, and I have been composing here most of the waste food from the kitchen. So he has given quite a good menu, and I have after the decomposing, I have put some of this menu in the. So this is another place that I have been experiencing my decomposing method. So I'm not sure it's going to give good or not, but give a good try. So there are small things that I've been doing here in the kitchen garden, and these are corns that we have been nicely planted in our garden. You can see the kitchen garden. Welcome. I need to get some fruits. I haven't eaten fruits for some time, so planning to get some fruits. Plum, the local plum. I have this one. It's per kilo 50 rupees. We can end the expansion of Ete coffee. So. What's happening? Hello! I think it's ready. Some video. Almost ready, yeah? Good. This is expansion of Ete coffee to the main town. Yeah, so happy. It's more accessible for the coffee lovers. Now when we go town, we can plan to have coffee, to eat food, to hang around with friends. It's a good place. I was mentioning last time that we can go to Ete Coffee and have one of the best latte in whole of our Netherlands. So this is one of the places you can come. Taking so long time to dress up, buddy. There's a new suit. Nice over there. This nice one. What did you put inside? Oh yeah. Why do you put the pepper inside your soup? To keep the shape or to keep the shape? It's nice.